Will versus be going to. When talking about the future, we use will and be going to in different ways. Let's break it down. We use will for number 1, spontaneous decisions. When you decide to do something right at that moment. I'll have the steak, please. You make this choice at the restaurant when the waiter asks what you want, so it's a quick decision. Promises or offers. When you promise to do something or offer help. Example, I will call you later. You promise to make a call after some time. Predictions based on opinion. When you guess what will happen based on what you think. Example, I think it will rain tomorrow. You are guessing rain will happen because you believe it might, even if there are no clear signs right now. You might wonder, why would someone think that it will rain tomorrow without any basis? When someone says, I think it will rain without any clear signs, they're sharing a guess or feeling based on what they know or remember, even if they can't see any signs of rain right now. It's a prediction based more on their experience and what they believe might happen. We use be going to for plans or intentions. When you have already decided to do something in advance. Example, I am going to visit my grandparents this weekend. You planned this visit before now. Predictions based on evidence. When you guess what will happen because of something you see or know. Example, look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain. You see dark clouds and predict rain will happen because of them. Let's compare will and be going to with side-by-side examples. I will call you later. You decide to call now, maybe because something has just come up. It's a quick decision. I'm going to call you later. You planned this call before now, like deciding to call earlier. It's a pre-planned action. Read the following dialogues. In this dialogue, Jamie uses I'll call you later to show a quick decision made in the moment. In this dialogue, Nina uses I'm going to call you later to show she planned to call before now. Let's try the following exercise, and we'll give the answers afterwards. The answer is, we are going to have dinner at 7 p.m. tonight. This is a plan you made earlier, so be going to is used. She will probably win the award because she has worked so hard. This is a guess based on what you believe, so you use will. She is going to start a new job next month. She decided to start a new job before now, so be going to is used. The team is playing really well and has a big lead. They are going to win the game. You see their good performance and guess they will win. So be going to is used. I will help you with your homework. This is a quick decision made in the moment, so will is used. How many did you get correct? Let us know in the comments. Remember, use will for spontaneous decisions, promises, offers, and predictions based on opinion. Use be going to for plans made in advance and predictions based on current evidence. Keep practicing and you'll get even better. Thanks for watching. If you like this lesson, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time!